I have had various highs in my life. So I slowly moved from stocks to fixed income. My wife and I decided to build a home for not so privileged senior citizens. I said that I need to focus more on my trusts and not worry about investment. I was born to a refugee parents, a 16-year-old with 2 months of me and her husband. That's my father and mother. पाकिस्तान से भाग के इंडिया की तरफ आए. By the time I was born, my parents were struggling to make two ends meet. When I was in my mid-50s, I realized that I have been blessed with so many things, whether it was recognition, whether it was money, whether it was status. It's time to give back to the society. We started with setting up community centers where senior citizens come. They do physical exercises like chair yoga. Then, by the grace of God, the stock markets started going up, and I decided that I want to thank my parents. And on our 50th wedding anniversary, instead of throwing money on a party, my wife and I decided to build a home for not so privileged senior citizens. So I started with Adhata Trust, and we named it after our parents. My mother's name was Swaran Kanta, my father's name was Tilak Raj, so we call it Swaran Raj Nivas. It's a place where we can accommodate 100 people to live in dignity, to do things which they could not do in earlier part of their life. I have had various highs in my life, but when I interact with these senior citizens who were living a lonely life, and now they're totally charged up, they're dancing, they're singing, they're participating in various activities, seeing them is what touches my heart. And that's why I went to this journey. At the age of 65, I said that I need to focus more on my trusts and not worry about investment. So I slowly moved from stocks to fixed income, and it started taking fixed deposits with companies where I felt secured. You know, when your security is there, when you are fixed, that is the time you can really take care of the interest of others. Thank you.